Welcome to the topic of international reporting standards. The overall objective of this topic is to provide an overview of what is happening in the world of accounting and finance, and also some reflection on how its changes are impacting a range of relevant stakeholders, including existing and potential investors, lenders, and other creators in making decisions about providing resources to the organization. There will be 4 lessons under this topic. The first lesson will draw an overview on the drivers inspiring the continuous updating of the international reporting standards. The second lesson will look at issues around goodwill accounting while attempting to provide an overview of the current understanding on this important and debatable area of accounting. The third lesson will look at the issues around lease accounting and will share and reflect on some current developments in the field. And our final lesson will draw a summary of the topic while sharing some reflections on the directions of changes likely to happen in the future. Overall, the emphasis in this topic is going to be on the recent developments to the international financial reporting standards and how this may impact on the accounting that we are expected to do in the future.